Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to delete phone number and Snapchat app on your device. Don't forget, dear friends, please do not forget to put your likes to this video. Be sure, friends, to subscribe to the channel and also please write your comments. So, let us get started with you. Please open up the Snapchat app on your device. Now on the top left, tap on your account image. Next, you will need to tap on the gear at the top so that you can go to Settings. Now select the mobile number section here. And now you can, friends, delete that phone number that is registered with you on Snapchat. But keep in mind that you will definitely need to enter some other phone number to replace it. You may have another one of some sort, or you can buy yourself a phone number that you won't be using. Or you can open a web browser and find some publicly available phone numbers in order to register them with the Snapchat app. But make sure to have some phone number assigned to that app. That's how quick and easy you can delete a phone number in Snapchat. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and also please write your comments. See you soon, friends.